Voya real person verification tutorial. How to verify your identity step by step. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching how to verify your identity step by step here in the Voya app. So to verify your identity in the Voya app right here, all we need to do is open up our Voya app right here. Once you open up the Voya app right here, next thing we need to do is click on the button right there. You see your settings icon right here. Once you're here, below it right here, and here you will see just build invite friends and earn coins. It's real person verification. Press on the real person verification right there. And keep pressing on that right there. You will see here you can click on photos right there. So you can, after adding yourself your photo right there, you just have to change your picture right there. After you add your photo right there, all you need to do is scan yourself. After scanning yourself, it will now verify within 24 hours if it's you. And if it failed, for example, it failed the verification, the AA failed, you can put it on like a manual verification or human will verify it. But that will take about 24 hours. But when you're doing AI, I think it will be about like a few minutes and then you're done. But if it doesn't work, you can just appeal that it's actually you and have a person or human verify it. So as you see, once you've done that, you will now be verified here on Voya. So once you've done that, you will have a check icon right there, like for example right there, you'll see that return into blue. So that means you're verified. Yeah, there you guys. That's how I do it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions or concerns, you can always type it down coaching below. Guys, help to answer you as soon as possible. And here on guidelines. There you go. See you next one, and thank you.